Hey everyone, Okana here. I'm going to show you EURUSD. I'm in a trade. Actually, I opened a trade just a few pips away, shall I say. So if you look at it on the daily on the EURUSD, this is the EURUSD daily chart. So if you zoom out a little bit, what do you see here? You see a pattern here. So first of all, you see this resistance here getting broken. Look at the breakout here. You have a large, very confident breakout here right above the resistance. And if you look back, you see the same pattern here. Look back a little bit more. We got another breakout in this area. It looked a little bit different. We had a pullback before the actual breakout, but then look back again and we have another break, and we got another one right here. So we could see some different, but especially this one, the latest one, and here we can see that, remember this is a daily chart, so after it broke it went up for about a few days straight up here as well. So here you also have another breakout here. Actually, if you just use a support resistance line, we have a breakout again. It went up for a few days. So basically why I'm showing you this is that I'm thinking for a long-term trade. So I'm willing to take that risk and do a long-term trade for end of week. You can see the EMA 200 is broken on the weekly, strongly bullish. So it hit resistance here because you can see here the gap, the resistance, the big drop here. So it had a drop, but the bulls are stronger. Now the week opened above the resistance, and we had a large breakout here from this trend line. Remember on the daily. So if we look at on the monthly, I'm looking for a longer target up here, and then after that even up here, all the way up here to this support, which happens to be intercepting the EMA, but forget about the EMA for now. Look at the support here, support resistance action here. So the first target will most likely be this on the monthly. So this is why I'm going for a longer trade. A week, you could probably do even more than that. So I'm going for a week right now because of this, these patterns. Breakout 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It just keeps going up and up. So so that's that. And if we look at another one, by the way, which I also want to mention to you, the USD Canadian, I have this target here. So my target is here because there's a support, not just because of the trend line, but because of the support here also. Used to be support resistance, and also happens to again be intercepted by an EMA 200, which I like on the higher time frames. When it intercepts, that's pretty good. But again, we have a trend line and a support line, most importantly. So what will happen if this support is broken? Like last time, look at this, went down for a few weeks in a row. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So it could be going down for a month. So we will have to see. Hopefully, I mean, I think the best indication would be if the month, this month, which is has a few days left, actually closed below this support. If it did, it would most likely mean continuation down all the way, and you see it's forming a pin bar, very nice big push, indicating bears are still very strong. So it had a retracement here, which it had before also last time it happened, and here before it dropped down, and now this target has been holding for a few weeks. So if it finally does break, we should be shorting all the way down. So you could be also going for a longer trade, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, end of month for this, and you can also be doing shorter expiries when you go down the time frames and just ride the trend down on the lower time frames, like hourly, 4 hour, even very lower time frames. You can do that. So my analysis for EURUSD to be bullish, USDCAD, if it breaks, you're going to be bearish with that. So I hope this helps. Leave a comment how you're going to be trading, and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, guys.